It is a seismic shift in Israeli law. On Monday, Knesset approved the death penalty for Palestinians convinced of murdering Israelis. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu backed the measure, and far-right National Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir celebrated the vote wearing a pin shaped like a noose on his lapel. And the topic is very serious, so your reporter wants to look past the political theater and see the facts. Under the new rules, anyone convinced of a fatal terror attack faces a default punishment of death by hanging. And it applies by default in military courts. However, these courts only try Palestinians in the occupied West Bank. The law also applies in civilian courts, but there is a catch. The attacker must act with the intention to put an end to the state of Israel, and legal experts say this exact wording protects Jewish citizens from the same punishment. The Palestinian Authority stresses Israel has absolutely no sovereignty over Palestinian land, whereas supporters of the bill say the country must fight a cycle of terror. But there is a question. Will this law stop the violence? You see, the death penalty is banned across the EU, and the UK, France, Germany and Italy say the policy has zero deterring effect, and called it de facto discriminatory. And now Brussels is stepping in. Euronews has seen an exclusive draft statement from EU Foreign Policy Chief Kaja Kallas, who calls the bill a grave regression. It marks a noticeably sharper tone from Europe towards Israel. Yet, diplomacy aside, the core problem comes down to the law itself. If a justice system seems to use two different sets of rules for the exact same crime, can one still call it justice?